Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to save the XF all configuration. Firstly, I want to open it example part, and you will see just only one part, and I have it configuration, not logo, and I suppress my logo, my company name, and you will see the different configuration. And if you want to save the XF file, you just only click and program finds all configuration. If you design as a sheet metal and take it the XF file, and successfully is complete, it's done. If I want to check it and open it, and you will see the same data, and I close, and I want to add not logo, and finish it. You will see it's easy. If I want to check it, the other one, my default, oh sorry, I close, and you will see the original part. And if you want to the XF, you can use save the XF all configuration. Thanks for watching.